and welcome. In this video, I'm going to cover everything about our Seller Launchpad because we have been receiving many requests. So I thought of creating a video so that everyone and mothers can understand that what this Launchpad is all about. Who can join? What do you need to get started? And what is the step-by-step process? And also how you can get featured in this upcoming event, which is going to be on 1st of June. I'll answer all of these questions and I'll try to explain it in very simple and easy to understand words. So who can join? So if you are a teacher or if you are a creative mother or something that can add value to their life, then yes, this platform can be for you. You can teach drawing, craft, storytelling, dance, handwriting, DIYs. You know, few of the skills are very trendy these days, like Vocaboom and vocabulary, brain and Vedic maths is also there. There are multiple skills. We have high demand of handwriting classes also, calligraphy, and Gita classes. If you can teach kids or mothers Vedic scriptures, if you can counsel them, if you think that you can teach them meditation or yoga or exercise, it can be anything that you think that can be beneficial for a kid or for a mother. It is the only condition that your course needs to be in a digital format. Currently, we are not into the physical products, so very sorry for that. But if you think that you're creating beautiful products and you want to create the video of that, then yes, you can use it. So basically, your product needs to be in a digital format, not in a physical form. So suppose you're into crochet and you create beautiful toys out of that, so you might not be able to sell those toys which you are creating, but you can create a step-by-step course to teach kids and mothers how to create their own crochet stuff, and that is how you can use your skill set to create a digital course. Or you can, if you are a handwriting teacher or if you are a calligraphy teacher, if you think that you can create practice sheets for anything, you can sell the PDF of those practice sheets also. If you have written a book, you can get it published. So these are the kind of ideas which we can publish on our platform. So what are the benefits of getting listed on rgo.shop? So the first is that you get your free seller web page. If you hire a website designer or a developer, it is going to be very expensive and it requires a lot of tech knowledge, but we will do everything for you. Second is that you earn lifetime royalty. This royalty is going to be close to 50% that you get on every sales. No tech hustle required. We have a large community of mothers and we are trying to get all of them to the RGO shop already, and you will get the exposure of RGO's customers also. Full tech support from our team while onboarding the process, while creating your products, and we will guide you also that what kind of courses you can create. So we are offering the personal counseling for you so that you can be confident and you can understand and get the clarity of what you can create and how you should go about it, everything. So we prefer small courses instead of long courses. Small chapters make it easy for students to learn, and it is also pocket friendly for moms while buying them. If there are going to be 10 or 20 chapters in your single course, then we would you to divide it into small parts so that it can come into small chapters, and it will be very easy for mothers. It will be very pocket friendly for them. Let's talk about the seller launch event, which is going to be on 1st of June. So we are hosting this online event to present our to showcase all the sellers who are already listed with us on RGO. And if you want to be a part of it, you simply need to get your shop ready before this event so that you can be a part of it. So don't waste for last moment. Get your shop ready as soon as possible so that you can be a part of it and get the exposure in front of RGO's audience.